I used to sit in mahogany boardrooms as an investment banker, and I can tell you, the math we discussed behind closed doors is not the math they tell the public. In those rooms, we didn't talk about saving, we talked about liquidity. Most people see the national debt as an abstract number on a news ticker. But here in 2026, it's a ticking clock, and it's running out of time. America is quietly drowning. We're facing a debt to GDP ratio that has reached the point of no return. This isn't just a political talking point anymore, it's basic financial physics. When a nation's debt reaches this scale, the weight begins to pull everything else under. The housing market, your retirement, and the very value of your labor. The system is broken. Just accept it. The government has only two ways to pay for this. They can default on their promises, or they can devalue the currency to pay them back. They will choose devaluation every single time. The printing presses are running at maximum capacity because the only way to pay off a debt that can never be repaid is to make the money itself worth less. This is the hidden tax. Your savings aren't actually growing, they are being liquidated. If inflation is 7% and your bank pays you 4%, you aren't earning 3%. You are losing 3% of your life's work every single year. Your dollar isn't a store of value anymore. It's a melting ice cube. While the macroeconomy fails, you are being lured into an invisible prison. This prison doesn't have iron bars. It has car keys and credit cards. We've been conditioned to think that debt is normal, that a massive monthly payment is just the cost of living. In reality, it's the cost of your freedom. Most people are paying what I call the friendship tax. They buy $70,000 trucks just to look successful to neighbors who are secretly just as broke as they are. You are trading your retirement, your sovereignty, for a status symbol that loses value the second you drive it home. Let's look at the banker's math. A $1,000 monthly car payment isn't just $12,000 a year. In a protected portfolio, that money would have earned you $4,000 this year alone. Over a 30-year career, that one decision to look rich today cost you over $1 million in retirement. You are literally funding the government's debt crisis with your own potential wealth. Something feels off about 2026, and your gut is right. We are approaching a system reset. When the debt becomes unsustainable, the lights go out on traditional investments. The old safe bets, the savings account, the bond market, they won't survive the shift. Only a few asset islands will remain glowing, but you don't have to drown with the crowd. You stop playing by the normal rules. Your first priority is the $100,000 survival baseline. In this economy, $100K isn't rich. It is your shield. Once you hit this, the math flips in your favor. To get there, you must activate the gap. You must aggressively widen the space between your income and your expenses. This isn't about being cheap. It's about being strategic. You aren't restricting your life. You are fueling your engine. Stop relying on just your salary. There's a second wealth builder hiding in plain sight, the shadow portfolio. It lives inside your HR portal, and it is the only way to get rich at work without begging for a raise. It's moved before it ever touches your bank account, making it invisible to the tax man and your own impulse spending. The ultimate weapon in the shadow portfolio is the HSA. It is a triple tax shield. No tax going in, no tax while it grows, and no tax when it comes out for medical costs. It's a hidden investment account that can help you reach that $100,000 milestone years faster than a standard savings account. As the dollar is devalued, you must look at hard assets. Gold, or even a small hedge in Bitcoin. When the system itself is the scam, these are your anchors. While the paper money sinks into the abyss, the safe assets float. The path to sovereignty follows the 7-5-3-1 rule. The first 7 years are a slog. It feels like you're running in place. Your friends are buying trucks while you're buying assets. It's lonely and it's slow, but stay the course, because the momentum is about to explode. Once you cross that baseline, the snowball effect takes over. Suddenly your money is finally awake. It's finally doing the heavy lifting for you. This is your exit ramp from the middle-class trap. While the rest of the country is stuck in a traffic jam of debt and inflation, you are pedaling towards sovereignty. Once your passive income reaches $3,000 a month, the switch flips. The world goes from gray to green. Your job stops feeling like a prison and starts feeling like an option. The crisis outside no longer threatens your home inside. The stable job is a myth. The debt crisis is a mathematical certainty. I took off the suit because I realized the boardroom wasn't where the future was being built. It's being built by people like you. Your homework is simple. Max the match, build the gap, reach that first 100,000. The only question is, will you follow it? The system is resetting. If you're ready to start the shift, watch this video next.